Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use AliExpress buyer protection to ensure safe purchases. So now let's get started. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your mobile device or log in using the website. Now once you're on the app, simply search for the product you like and tap on it. Now here, check for the buyer protection badge before buying the product. You need to also check the reviews and ratings for safer shopping. If your order does not arrive or is not as described, simply open a dispute within the protection period, and AliExpress will review your case and offer a refund or a replacement. So this is how to use AliExpress buyer protection to ensure safe purchases. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.